Oregon communities know the devastation that wildfires leave behind. Recovery doesn't have to take years. Modern manufactured homes are built to resist and ready to deploy. These aren't yesterday's mobile homes. Today's HUD code manufactured homes meet or exceed wildland-urban interface standards. Factory-built precision ensures every wall, roof, and joint is crafted under controlled conditions, protected from weather, and designed with resilience in mind.
So we were basically bought our house online without seeing it. So then we came here a couple of weeks later, and that's when we walked through, saw it, perfectly satisfied, very happy with it.
For wildfire survivors, returning home means more than shelter.
It was a pretty harrowing time, pretty tough.
It's about roots, neighbors, and stability.
My husband and I have lived here since 1989. We were moved here with our girls at that time.
Manufactured homes allow families to rebuild quickly and affordably, without leaving the communities that they love.
In this community, we were 6 years before the fire, and then we came back in 22, so we've been here 3 years back. I'm telling you, it was amazing, and our home is wonderful.
With adaptable designs, lower infrastructure costs, and rapid deployment, manufactured housing offers Oregon a scalable path to recovery.
Initially, during the fire, we actually fought the fire to save the 21 houses that were here. We fought the fires for 2 days to save what was left. We had 164 houses on the ground before the fire, and then when we're done, we'll have 166 spaces. Dad and I started rebuilding and have developed the whole process.
Whether one home or 100, these communities can come back stronger, faster.
I work with the buyer to picking out the lot, picking out the floor plan, picking out everything, every single option there is.
Built for resilience, designed for recovery, ready for Oregon.